Hello Dodge Dakota owners. This is a 1996 Dodge Dakota, 6 cylinders. I had a problem with the ignition key, so it was broken. So here's the deal. The thing broke up. So if when you turn the switch, at the end you feel it loose, probably this was what happened. So I just removed that thing, the cover over there, and let me tell you, it was hard for me to find a tool to remove it. Let me see if I see here the as you can see, it's CRVT 20. This is the tool you need, CRVT 20, because only with this you will be able to unscrew those bolts. It's very easy. You take out the 3 bolts. There are 3 bolts, one over there, one over there, one over there, and you take out the cylinder. Now I put a new cylinder, but you have to make sure that you also take out this guy from here. This black bolt, you have to take it out. This attaches the cylinder to all this piece, and obviously you keep this little piece of metal on there. So you replace it, and now I'm gonna put it back. But before doing that, I have to attach these 2 cables. The little one goes in this area here, and the big one, where it goes? Goes here, down here. You see? So friends, here you have it. I already put the 3 bolts. You have to play with the key, because sometimes you put it and then you cannot pull out the key. But so I put it a couple of times, and now I can remove the key. I put it back, and it works beautifully. Americans, Chrysler, knew how to build a car. This car has more than 220,000 miles and still strong. God bless America.